Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Septisiti Dulaiha with student ID 23220034. Here I will explain my research proposal. The title is "They use role-playing to improve speaking fluency in ESL student." Background of the research. This research explored the effectiveness of role-playing in improving English as a second language (ESL) speaking fluency among ESL students. It aims to analyze the impact of role-playing activities on students' speaking abilities and evaluate their perception of this method in English language learning process. The study focused on reducing anxiety and improving students' speaking skill in a fun and engaging environment. Research question. First, what effect does the role-playing technique have on ESL students' speaking fluency? Second, what improvement in speaking confidence do students experience as a result of role-playing exercise? And the last, third, in the context of learning English, how do ESL students react to role-playing exercise? Objective of the research. This research aims to enhance speaking skill of ESL students by incorporating role-playing strategies into teaching. It aims to increase students' confidence in English communication, assess the effectiveness of role-playing, identify learning challenges, and provide suggestions for effective instructional method. The study also aims to evaluate students' speaking skills before and after the use of role-playing exercise and provide suggestions for improving the learning process. Okay, next, significance of the research. 1. Creation of teaching method. This study may help create English instructional strategies that are more successful. 2. Enhancement of student speaking skill. 3. Boosting self-confidence. This study adds insight into how role-playing can help students become more confident when speaking. 4. Information for educational policy. The result of this study can give curriculum designer and educational policymakers important information for creating more responsive and integrated language learning programs that cater to the needs of students. Definition of important term. Role-playing is a teaching technique that helps students practice speaking in authentic setting, improving their understanding of social context and practical application of the language. Speaking fluency, vocabulary master, and sentence composition are essential for ESL students. ESL course focus on English as a second language for social integration, work, or education. Communication skills include understanding and efficient expression of thoughts and feelings are crucial in academic and professional setting. Interactive learning include role-playing, actively engages students. Method research. This research aims to investigate the activities of role-playing in improving English as a second language student speaking fluency. The study will use an experimental design and quantitative methodology with 60 high school ESL students divided into two groups, a control group receiving traditional instruction and an experimental group engaging in role-playing exercise. The study will use a speaking skills exam and questionnaire to gauge students' fluency and confidence. The experimental group will engage in role-playing exercise for 8 weeks, while the control group will receive traditional instruction. The final data will be analyzed using descriptive and inference statistics and a qualitative study of questionnaire response will be conducted. The study follows ethical guidelines, including parental consent and data privacy. Next, research subject. The research focus on secondary education students learning English as a second language between the age of 15 and 18. The study will involve 60 students divided into two groups, 30 in the experimental group who will participate in role-playing exercise and 30 in the control group who will receive conventional instruction without role-playing. The study will require writing consent from parents or guardians and prioritize students who demonstrate interest and readiness for role-playing exercise. Instrument of the research. Several tools will be employed in this study to gather the information required to assess how well role-playing help ESL students become more fluent speakers. The instruments that will be utilized are described as follows. 1. Communication abilities test description. The purpose of this test is to judge pupil fluency in speaking. The test will cover a number of topics, including sentence construction, vocabulary utilization, speaking speed, and pronunciation. 2. Questionnaire description. Information about student experience participating in role-playing exercise and their level of confidence speaking will be gathered via the questionnaire. 3. Description of classroom observation. Throughout the role-playing exercise, observation will be made to record group dynamics, student interaction, and involvement. 4. Interview. It is possible to conduct semi-structured interview with several students to learn more about their role-playing experience. Data processing procedure. To guarantee that the gathered data can be properly examined and produce reliable results, the data processing process in the study on the use of role-playing to enhance the speaking fluency of ESL students entails a number of methodical procedures. The measures that will be taken are as follows. 1. Information gathering, speaking skill test, and observation in the classroom. 2. Information gathering, data organization, and data coding. 3. Analysis of quantitative data, descriptive statistics, and tests, t-tests. 4. Analysis of qualitative data, thematic analysis in the process of examining observational notes and interview data to find recurring terms in student role-playing experience, and the information triangulation. And the last, result reporting, creating a report, and the result presentation. Research schedule. Description of the week's activities. 1. Research preparation. Description, creating the proposal and getting it accepted, and the creation of research tools such as tests, questionnaire, and panduan observasi. 2. Subject selection. Description, identifying and selecting students who will be involved in the research, and the obtaining parental of guardian consent. 3. First, data collection, giving each student an introductory speaking abilities test, and the initial survey regarding pupils' confidence were distributed. 4. Training for the experimental group, holding workshop to instruct educator on how to use role-playing in the classroom. 5. Until 10. Role-playing session as an intervention. Holding a week of role-playing exercise, and students will take part in role-playing exercise with various scenarios every week. 11. Final data collection, giving each student a final speaking skill test, and final survey are being distributed to judge student experience and confidence. 12. Data analysis and report writing, examining both qualitative and quantitative information, compiling the research report, and getting the result ready for presentation. Okay, that's the end of my explanation about my research proposal, the use of role-playing to improve speaking fluency in ESL student. That's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.